So today we are on our way to purchase the latest iPhone from the money I made off of YouTube. Okay, so right now we are on the way. I'll see you guys when we reach there. Bye! Jean stop. It's like so cute. I'm super excited. Our car, now we are heading. Ooh, such cute spot too. I've been wanting to buy an iPhone for so long. Here I was debating between getting an iPhone 15 or 15 Plus. Both had similar features, with one a bit pricier than the other. Here the colors black and blue were available. So this video was filmed sometime in April 2024, but due to being busy with college and work, me and my editor weren't able to put the footage out sooner. So we went and took a look at phones. They were so pretty. I just wanted to get them, but before that I want to see the flip phone as well from Samsung. So we're going there right now. Let's go. The Z Flip was so handy when it came to recording a video from the back camera as well. The whole flip feature was something so new and exciting. So we just went and saw Z Flip and it was so pretty. It made me more confused which phone I should get. So we're gonna eat food and then we're gonna decide. So let's go. So after we finished eating, I had made up my mind on which phone I would be buying. I will do an unboxing once I'm home for you guys. Okay, so that is it for the unboxing part. I'm so happy and I feel blessed. And I would like to thank you guys because none of this would have been possible without your love and support. I would also like to thank my mom, my dad, my sister, and my best friend for always being my #1 supporter. I still remember the day me and Tracy, we decided to film YouTube videos, and baby Anjela and Tracy would freak out and not believe me if I had told them that I would be able to afford the latest iPhone one day from the money we earned from YouTube. This was when we were still in lockdown during COVID. I remember we were pacing around in the terrace of our house, discussing how we would make it work. I remember us not even having a tripod stand to film videos back then. Due to the lockdown, we couldn't even go out to buy one. So Tracy had made a DIY stand for my phone out of a cardboard cutout. She's smiling right now. All of these moments make me realize that I have come a long way from where I had begun. I had always loved making homemade videos and feel so happy to be able to do what I love. My next videos will definitely be shot from my iPhone. So let me know if you'd like to see videos related to my iPhone. If you're interested in knowing how I made money off of YouTube, let me know and I'll make a video about it. So that is all for this video. Once again, thank you guys so much for your support. Please continue showing love on my videos. It makes me so happy and motivated, pushing me to creating more content. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!